All right, so today I'm going to show y'all how to do a glueless install behind your hairline. A couple weeks ago, I uploaded a video that was an install behind the hairline, but it was not glueless. And somebody requested that I do the look glueless. So that's what I'm gonna do today. This video is sponsored by Megalook. They sent me this wig to use for this video, and it is 26 inches of beautiful goodness. And I will put all the details about this wig down below. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is part off the perimeter of your hairline that you're going to be leaving out. You want to just leave out just enough to where it's easy to blend and that it's enough to cover out that lace in the front. And excuse the flakes, y'all know how it is when you put in a conditioner and it doesn't absorb all the way or agree with the products you already have in your hair. So then after you get the perimeter parted off, then you're just going to do a flat twist or a braid to keep that hair out of the way. So whatever foundation you want to use, that is up to you. You just want to make sure that it's flat so your wig lays flat. I'm just doing a part down the middle and 2 braids in the back. You can definitely do straight backs. Whatever you want, it's just gotta be flat. And that is one of the most beautiful things about a glueless install, because you can take it off whenever you want and take care of your hair underneath however you see fit. So let's get into this install. It is very important that you have an elastic band attached to your wig. I usually like to do mine myself so that it's extra customized, but this one came with a band attached, so I'm just going to use the band that was already attached to the wig. Another reason I like to do installs behind the hairline is because, as you can see, my hairline sits a little bit low with that baby hair, and it can be a little bit of trouble to do the install in front of the hairline without having to leave any of it out. So also for my low hairline people, you should try this. So first thing you saw me do was go ahead and cut off that lace. Now I'm just parting a little bit at a time right behind the perimeter of the hairline that I left out, and trimming off that excess lace so that the lace comes to right behind my hairline, if that makes sense. You want to take your time with this part because, of course, you can always go in and cut a little bit more, but you can never put it back once you've cut it off. So I just part a little bit at a time, cut a little bit off at a time, and keep moving. I'm just using these very tiny eyebrow scissors. I suggest you use eyebrow scissors or tiny scissors instead of a razor, so you don't do some accidental cutting that you didn't mean to do. So the next step for the glueless install is to make sure your wig is fitting very snug. That's a little bit difficult with these wigs that are made to order and aren't customized like you made them yourself. So what I had to do is I had to pull the elastic band, and then I had to put a rubber band around it to get it as snug as I needed it to be. You can also cut the elastic band and then tie it to get it snug as well. So after that, I'm just gonna put a little bit of styling foam on the perimeter of the lace so that those little pieces lay flat, and then I'm gonna tie it down with the elastic band that they sent me. I'm then also going to put a little bit of styling foam on my hairline, and then I'm going to tie that down with a scarf as well. So I had that tied down for about 45 minutes while I did my makeup. Now I'm just going to do some styling and blending so that the entire look comes together. So first I'm just taking that hot comb and just making sure everything looks extra flat. Then I'm going to take a flat iron and I'm going to flat iron my edges. Only thing that sucked about this install is that my hair color did not match perfectly with the wig that was sent me. The wig is like a natural brown color, and I just recently dyed my hair back black, and so to cover that red, I needed it to be black. So my hair is a little bit darker. But anyway, so now I'm going to lay my baby hair. I'm probably going to be 40 laying my baby hair, and that's just my business. And last but not least, I'm just going to get the part together by adding some foundation over my natural part and the part on the lace to bring it all together and make it blend a little bit better. Then I'm gonna take the butt of the hot comb and I'm gonna press that over the part. And that is the finished look. And I just love an install behind the hairline because I love having my natural hairline out. And it takes a lot of the work out of doing your installs. And I just want to say that we are not magicians, okay? So of course, yes, if you get up close, you're going to be able to see the lace just like you would if a lace hairline was installed. But it's all about making it look as good and as natural as possible. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.